How to change interests on Pinterest. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your preferred web application, or you can also use your Pinterest app for that. In my case, I'm going to go with web application of Chrome. At the top search bar, type in pinterest.com and get logged into your Pinterest account. Then you will see a person icon on your right hand side. Tap onto it. Here, tap on the settings icon on your top right. Under account, you will see home feed tuner. Tap onto it. Here you will see activity, interests, words, and following. Tap onto interests tab. Now in order to remove a interest, tap on remove. If you'd like to add it again, you can tap on add again. Now as this following has been removed, search for any topic that you would like to follow and tap on follow button. Just like so, this is how you can change your interest on Pinterest. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.